Spring is here in full effect, so if you have any spare time left over after brushing all that damn pollen off your Tacoma, stay tuned because today I'm going to share a quick Tacoma exterior cleaning tip that's going to add years to your life. Alright guys, I've seen this issue on plenty of other Tacomas, so it's not just mine, but for some reason the exterior rubber window trim around all the windows, including the front and rear windshield, sometimes seems to get like this weird, I think I saw it was like mold or mildew stuff sort of staining it, marring the black finish, and of course after a few years of like UV exposure it starts to turn a little gray. Specifically on my Tacoma, I don't have any issue with it around the 4 door windows. It's more so just the rear windshield, which looks absolutely hideous. Thankfully, I found an easy way to clean it. All you need are a few Mr. Clean magic erasers, yes, that's right, and just a little bit of elbow grease. So the result I've got here, comparing on my rear windshield, the passenger side, which I did already clean, versus the driver's side, which as you can tell is still absolutely hideous. This is literally not even 5 minutes of your time. All you have to do is take one of the magic erasers, soak it in water, squeeze it out like a sponge, and use that elbow grease just to rub any of the affected areas. You will have to sort of clean the area up because it leaves like a white residue. I assume that's just particles from the magic eraser being left on the actual rubber window trim. And then of course you can clean it up with some kind of cleaner just to make it shine a little bit more. Now what you're seeing here in these examples, this isn't even using some kind of like finisher, like a black plastic restore, or maybe even like some of the shiny tire trim to really make it pop. I just wanted to show you minimal effort here and you can get like maximum results. Again, for just a few minutes of your time, get rid of some of this hideous mold or mildew stains marring your beautiful baby. Now, I would recommend using a few of the magic erasers because once you start using them, they start to quickly turn from white to black, and I would assume that just the more you use one of the dirty ones, it's going to sort of spread that around. So it probably took me 2 of the magic eraser sponges just to do the rear passenger half of my windshield. I'll put a link down in the description below where I got mine. I want to say they're like 10 bucks on Amazon for like a pack of 10 or 12, which should be more than enough to do all the exterior rubber trim on your Tacoma. All right guys, short and sweet today. Go ahead and comment below and let me know if that rubber window trim is an issue on your Tacoma and if you plan on doing this to clean it up on your truck. Also, since spring is in the air, if you've got any other fun cleaning projects planned for your Tacoma, also comment below and let me know. I always get excited about sort of giving everything a full detail, especially the undercarriage after the winter salt, when the season warms up and spring is fully here, which it is now unless you're living way up north. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.